Microbodies. What are these? Their definition. These are membrane-bound, small vesicles, minute vesicles, you can say spheres, spherical structures, which contain enzymes in them. They are covered by a membrane. Very small structures found both in plants as well as animal cells. There are mainly two type of microbodies. हैं तो बहुत सारे, इनसे ज़्यादा, लेकिन दो की बात करते हैं मेन, पेरोक्सिसोम्स और ग्लायोक्सिसोम्स. इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप के नीचे ही ये दिख पाते हैं क्योंकि ये वेरी स्मॉल होते हैं, बहुत छोटे साइज़ के होते हैं, इसलिए EM के अंडर ही दिखेंगे. नाउ माइक्रोबॉडी, इट्स डायग्राम. Simply make a round, a sphere, and write what here? Membrane, cell membrane. No, not cell membrane, simply membrane. But it is quite similar to cell membrane structure. That is, it is made of what? Phospholipids and proteins. Apart from that, some liquid inside consisting of enzymes. If you talk of peroxisomes, again the same diagram would be sufficing. Peroxisomes are found both in animal cells as well as plant cells. Peroxisomes contain oxidative enzymes inside them. That means related with oxidation, redox reactions happen here. And now another kind of microbody, glyoxysomes. These are found in plants and fungi, not found in animal cells. They are found in germinating seeds. And they convert fatty acids to carbohydrates. This is their function. Glyoxysomes and peroxisomes are thus found in the eukaryotic cells. If someone asks how to draw glyoxysomes, if you are required to form the diagram of glyoxysome, what will that be? Again, this one will suffice. Just make a membrane-bound organelle, a sphere. Inside write enzymes, outside write membrane, and this is the glyoxysome. Again, so minute that only under the EM you will be able to see such bodies.